Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is related to refraction of light. After completed the reflection of light, now we will go through refraction of light. Now what is this refraction of light? Refraction of light, in order to understand it, let me choose two media. Let me choose two transparent media. This is one. I will show this. This very, the upper one, this is a media, or you can say the medium. Let it be some medium, let it be water or let it be air, and this very the line which I am showing, this we call as the interface. By interface we mean it is the separation between two media. Now when a ray of light moves in a medium, it moves in straight line. So I will place it like this. This is the ray of light and it is going to move straight and till it touches the interface. Till this point it is going to move straight, because in a particular medium ray of light moves in straight lines. If this medium is a rarer medium, first let's take the definition of refraction. Refraction means the process of bending of light. Bending of light at the interface as light goes from one medium to another. So as this very light, there will be number of rays, but I will show only one. This ray of light, incident ray of light, incident ray, it is moving straight in a particular medium. Now once it touches the interface, if this is a optically rarer rarer medium, by rarer medium we mean that speed of optically rarer means speed of light is very large in it, not larger than the speed of light in vacuum, but it is large. Once it enters this very medium, if I will take this as a denser medium, denser, optically denser, then at this very interface, if I will draw a normal, this is the normal, like this angle is called as angle of incidence. Now as the ray of light goes from rarer to denser, at interface it bends here and it goes like this. Once it goes like this, actually its path was like this was its original path, but it got bent, and this is called as angle of refraction. The angle made by a refracted ray with the normal, that's called as angle of refraction. The angle made by incident ray with the normal, that's called as angle of incidence. So in the denser mediums, now that very medium in which speed of light is less as compared to the rarer medium. Or so if a ray of light goes from optically rarer to optically denser at the interface, or if a ray of light goes from denser to rarer at the interface, there is bending of light. This very phenomena, the bending of light, the change in the direction of the light, actual direction was like this, but it has changed the direction now in this very medium. It will bend only here. Whatever path it is going to take, whether it will go away from normal or towards the normal, then it will move as a straight line. It is not going to move, it's not going to bend continuously. It will not bend like this, like as an arc. It will bend here at the interface. Once it is going to, why it is going to bend? Because it's going to enter in a new medium. Its direction is going to change, its speed is going to change. So this ray is called as the incident ray, this ray is called as the refracted ray, this is called a normal. The angle made by incident ray with the normal, that's called angle of incidence. The angle made by refracted ray with the normal, that's called as angle of refraction. So what we learned here, that we still tutor optically rarer and optically denser. Optically rarer means a medium in which speed of light is more, and optically denser means the speed of light is less in that very medium. Now there can be another situation if the ray of light goes from which one we're having now here as a medium. This is a ray of light falling obliquely, incident ray. This will be here normal. Now the actual path is like this, but it bends and goes like this. So this is angle of refraction. So this is angle of incidence, this is angle of refraction, and this is again the interface. Now we can here conclude that this is denser medium. Now the ray of light has gone from denser to rarer. Now we can conclude from many things. When a ray of light goes from rarer to denser, definitely the refracted angle is less than the incident angle. When a ray of light goes from denser to rarer, definitely the refracted angle. This is the refracted ray. The refracted angle is more than the angle of incidence, and this very angle is called as angle of deviation. This is the angle through which the path has been deviated. So when a ray of light goes from one medium to another medium at interface, there is change in the speed of light, and this results in a totally new direction of the light, and this very phenomena is called as the refraction of light. We are having two media. The cause of what is the cause of refraction? If somebody asks us what is the cause is simple, that when the ray of light enters the interface, enters the new medium, at interface there we are having a totally new medium, which can be a optically denser medium, which, whose behavior towards light can be totally different than of the first medium. So the light sometimes bends towards the normal and sometimes it bends away from the normal, and resulting in a phenomena of refraction. So we can still conclude many things. If I is greater than r, then ray of light has gone from rarer to denser. If I is less than r, then definitely ray has gone from denser to rarer. So these are the things we are going to conclude in, we have to understand in it. Tomorrow will be with another lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.